Seafood summer combo for only 79 reals with unlimited rice and good for sharing. Ito nga yung lagi kong sinasabi kapag masarap binabalik ka.
Welcome to Caravan Fish Market!
Kung usapang seafoods nga, highly recommend ko talaga tong Caravan Fish Market. Bukod nga sa masarap, affordable at sariwa pa yung isda nila dito. Of course, ang babait ng staff at very welcoming. Malawak ang area, malinis at bawat sulok Instagrammable talaga. For the privacy, may 3 cubicle per family. At ayain na ang buong tropa to celebrate any occasion here at Caravan Fish Market. Kung may kasama ka namang kids, may playroom para sa kanila. Pero bago ang lahat, i-check mo muna baka may allergy ka sa seafoods. Ito na nga yung summer combo platter nila for only 79 reals. At good news kabayan, dahil pinanood mo ang video na to, mayroon kang 10% discount using my code Dora the Nurse. Pero take note lang guys, promo is valid only on weekdays. At ito naman yung viral nila ngayong prawns bechamel. Hindi talaga ako makamove on sa sarap nito, as in 1,000 over 10. For only 39 reals, good for sharing na din siya. Ito naman yung lobster bechamel for only 129 reals. Large sea bass for only 60 reals. Available din yung fresh juices and mojitos. Kung gusto mo naman ng dessert, mayroon na din sila. At kung mahilig ka sa chai, pwede ka naman mag-request. And for any inquiries, tawag lang kayo sa number nila. Yun lang muna mga Kadora Bells. Thank you for watching, for the love and support. Bye-bye!